We'll now review the entire process of creating a set of decodable and leveled reader templates. The first step is to make a new collection. To make a new collection, click the Other Collection button. We are making templates for a specific language, so the new collection we need for the templates is a vernacular collection. Since we are making a set of templates, it is a good idea to put that in the collection name. If you need to change the name, click the Settings button. On the Project Information tab, you can change the name of the collection. To get started, first use one of the built-in reader templates. Click the Decodable Reader and then click Make a book using this source. Books based on the Decodable Reader template include the Decodable Reader tool. Click on Set up Stages. The first task is to tell Bloom about the alphabet for the language. We do this in the Letters tab. In the Letters and Letter Combinations box, we need to add all the letters, letter combinations and other characters that form parts of words. You can supply Bloom with words in the Sample Words tab. In this first box, you can simply type or paste words you want Bloom to suggest. To give Bloom files containing stories or saved word lists, click on the blue link Sample Texts folder. This opens the special folder where the text files need to be put in order for Bloom to use them. The third task is to set up the stages. We do this in the Decodable Stages tab. We define the stages using the letters we've already supplied. To tell Bloom which ones we want to teach in Stage 1, click those letters. And we can also specify sight words. To add another stage, click the link Add Stage. Now you do the same steps again with the next set of letters and words. Repeat these steps until you have all the stages defined. The next step in the process is to make a book for each stage. We need to click OK to save our work in this dialog box. Finally, we will change the title of this book so that the users of the templates can distinguish between them. We're now ready to make a template for Stage 2, so we return to the Collections tab and we select the Decodable Reader template yet again. After adding the book, all we need to do is select Stage 2. Do this by clicking on the arrow until the correct stage number appears. Using those same steps, I've now made an empty book for every decodable stage we defined for English. The next step is to make an equivalent set of leveled reader templates. The first task is to use the built-in leveled reader template. Click Make a book using this source. The new book opens and we see the leveled reader tool displayed next to the book. There are 6 levels already set up for you. You can use them as they are or change them. Click the Setup Levels link. This opens the Setup Leveled Reader Tool dialog box. On the right, we can change the rules for the selected level. The book we've had open while setting up the levels can become the template for Level 1. It is already set to use Level 1 by default. As this Level 1 book is for beginners, we probably want to make the font size larger. To do this, add a page. Click on the gear icon. Click on the Characters tab. Increase the font size. Now we've made that style change, we can delete this added page. Finally, we need to change the title of this book so that users of the templates can distinguish between them. I will simply name this template Level 1. To create a template for the second level, we need to go back to the collection and then use the Leveled Reader template again. Click on Make a Book using this source. Select Level 2 by clicking on this little arrow. Repeat these steps to add a book for each of the remaining levels. There is now a book for each reading level and a book for each decodable stage. Now we're ready to make a bloom pack. At the top of the left pane, just to the right of the name of your book collection, click on the white down arrow. Then click the option Make Reader Template Bloom Pack. The person receiving the bloom pack simply has to copy the bloom pack file onto their computer and double-click it. The templates we have created will show up in the Sources for New Books area, like this.